Hi, Amir. I've got a simple plan put together here in X10. I've got a stair. Yeah, there's a stair. And let's see, let's click on that and create a stairwell. I didn't make them long enough. Let me go back to the plan view. Okay. Software's so picky sometimes. Let's see. Oh. There's what I want. To make sure it made a stairwell. Okay, good. I'll go back to the camera view. All right. Just make these walls invisible. I'll pull that back here so see a little bit better. Okay. And you want, let's see. Yeah, you want this kind of a deal here. It's kind of hard to do it with a wall. So what I would do, walls are kind of persnickety. I don't know if you know what persnickety means, but hard to deal with. So I'm going to do an elevation camera here of this little model. I'm going to go over here to the polyline tool. And draw a polyline, a closed polyline. I'm going to take that polyline and make it conform to the stairs. And then I'm going to convert that polyline, left click, get this dialog here, polyline solid, make it wall thickness 4.5 inches thick. And I'm going to go to the line style tab and make sure that it doesn't bump into walls or their CAD objects, so I can move it around freely in plan view. And then go to the materials tab and set the default material, concrete, to drywall. This sort of looks like a wall. And there you have it. The only thing that's excuse me, not perfect here is it's not lined up properly with the stairs, so I'm going to move it over with the arrow keys there. We'll go back to the isometric, and there you have it. This is a way to do it. It's not necessarily the only way, but I thought, you know, if you try to do it with a wall, and if you want that to cover the stair railing, you just go to plan view. We'll give it a couple more clicks. I'm going to take this and center it. Well, okay, I can't center it on the handrail. I'm just going to click on it. I was going to use the centering tool, but it's going to zoom in and move this over a little bit until it's centered on the rail. And then you have kind of the effect I think you're going for. Covers up the rail, and if you want this rail up here covered up, then you could extend this, I suppose, or that initially that. Let me change to a vector view camera. Yeah, you got the idea. Okay, this is the easiest way I can think of to achieve that. I had some structural concerns in terms of how you're going to hold the stairwell up. You're going to have the stringers out of steel or something. It's going to be rather expensive. But in terms of answering your question, this is how I would answer it. And I hope this helps you. Thank you for watching. Adios from Texas.